Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to my channel, Storyland Official, and a very warm welcome to all the new members who have recently subscribed my channel. Thank you very much for your support, comment, queries, and suggestions. I am Umm Muhammad, and today we are going to read a poem. Let's start today's lecture with prayer. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. This is poem. Wild beasts, words to learn are lion, bear, each, den beneath, nursery, chair, growl, and roar. I will be a lion, and you shall be a bear, and each of us will have a den beneath a nursery chair. And you must growl and growl and growl, and I will roar and roar. And then, then you will growl again, and I will roar some more. This was the end of this lecture. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching, and if you want to learn more, please like and share my videos and subscribe my channel. سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.